Welcome to This Explainer. Let's see how smart leaders use AI to work way faster and boost their strategy. So, the big question right now is artificial intelligence actually coming for your leadership job? Because modern leadership, it's a daily grind. You're drowning in emails, reports, and data with zero free time.
The fix is easy. AI handles that boring, repetitive stuff, so your brain is freed up for actual strategy.
Take meetings. Instead of reading endless notes, AI instantly boils down hours of talk into quick, actionable steps. Plus, algorithms can spot totally hidden trends inside massive piles of data that you'd honestly just miss. Staring at a blank screen, AI literally drafts full reports and slick presentations for you in minutes. It even checks your customer's pulse, mining feedback data to instantly spot gaps in their overall experience. Ultimately, AI acts as your strategic compass, serving up hardcore data so you make much sharper decisions. But here's the line. AI processes data and suggests options. You provide the empathy and trust. Tech scales efficiency, sure, but there's no way it automates your judgment, core values, or complex team dynamics. Leaders who jump on AI right now will totally outpace the competition and build insanely efficient teams. The future doesn't belong to AI alone. It belongs to us, combining that tech with deep human insight. So the real question isn't if AI transforms leadership. It's, are you ready to lead that transformation?